I go over KERX. I put the 2-minute clip from the morning meeting on the blog from yesterday. This really is just a case of, for whatever reason, traders try to make things a little bit too hard for themselves. Weekly, we looked at the weekly chart. 5.5 was the level if it got above there. These stocks don't even have to be your primaries. The level from the pre-market was 510. Got above there. Don't play the game of, oh, it's the middle of the day, I don't think trades work in the middle of the day. It goes by volume. The volume picked up at 11 o'clock. It was much higher than it was between 10 and 11. You go by volume. Volume picks up, gets above the pre-market high, you put on the trade. You buy 1,000 shares. You put your stop below $5, $4.90, whatever you think the appropriate stop is, and that's how you play it. It's a misnomer to call that difficult trade or to say it's hard money. It's not. It's actually one of the more easy things. It just doesn't happen that often, so you convince yourself that for some reason it's a difficult trade to make. And the other thing is, and I know I've been saying this for a while, for the last 6 months probably, when stuff breaks out on the weekly, we don't short it. We trade it on the long side. It's too complicated. Checking back in with KERX again, talking more about the actual levels. Again, they dropped it out to 6 at the end of the day. It was bought there. What you want to see in this situation, and this is a little bit more, if you're looking for an idea of saying a stock can be a little bit difficult, this is a little bit wider of a range here, right? From 45 cents to 80. So I could see some people being bothered by this 35 cent up and down, as opposed to a tighter consolidation. But if it pulled in here to 680, I'd want to see if it was bought there, and if it was, I would buy it. Same thing at the bottom of this consolidation as well. But again, here's the weekly, and I don't even. Here's the 10-year. So 10-year gives us a better idea. So if it was me and I was running a $300 million fund and I was trying to push up a small biotech, $8 a share is probably where I'd try to push it to. $7.15 right now. 85 more cents to go there. But this one should be in play for a few more days.